I recently read an interview by Shekhar Suman where he said that, yes, Mr. Bhansali has, temperamental issues, but that's because he's a perfectionist. He's just a perfectionist, I think, and he just wants everything to look not mediocre, but because whatever he does is nothing less than excellence. Then I think perfectionist is a very basic word to use to describe Sanjay Leela Bhansali. It's what an outsider who has never worked with him and never been on his set and never seen the kind of director that he is would use that kind of word. Because I think what he is far more than that.
शोशा नाम के YouTube चैनल पर हीरा मंडी के कास्ट से रिचा चड्ढा, संजीदा शेख और शर्मिन सहगल का इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, जिसमें शर्मिन ने अपने करियर की सबसे इमोटिव, सबसे एंटरटेनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दी. She was doing a bit as an overly entitled, uber-privileged, billionaire, legacy coattail, writer brat. Now I have nothing against women with some attitude. It's funny even. Like Pooh from K3G. The absurdity of it. The knowledge that the mean girl is being funny. Like she's joining in on the butt of the joke. Which is that her behavior is ridiculous. Is what makes it funny. लेकिन शर्मिन को सच में किसी के मुंह पे ये बोलकर कि आप आउटसाइडर ही मेरे मामा जी को परफेक्शनिस्ट कह सकते हो. आप क्या जानो? My uncle has maxed out. He is in his final form. He isn't a perfectionist. He is so much more. Girl, lick less or you'll reach bone. बहुत अनावश्यक और अशिष्ट टिप्पणी थी शर्मिन की और इसलिए कई लोगों को चुभी. उनके अभिनय का डंका देखकर ऐसे ही चार्ज हो रखे थे, लेकिन खेद महसूस हो रहा था. सारा गिल्ट एक बार में ये वीडियो देखकर धुल गया. Imagine giving grief to an actress that's been around since the early 2010s, delivered hits, made it in the industry all on her own, is drop-dead gorgeous, so well-spoken, side-eyeing her, throwing shade at her, calling her out for her choice of words. Well, technically, she called everybody out. प्रश्न पूछने वाली, इनके मामू पे समीक्षा देने वाले, इनके को-स्टार शेखर सुमन जी, संजीदा, सबको बाहर वाला बोल दिए. Nepotism isn't the monster we're out hunting. It's their hatred, their mindset of exclusivity, their almost tribalistic instinct to other anyone that doesn't have the blood of the film industry running in their veins. These are the blue bloods of India, and they do not consider you a part of their super exclusive club, no matter your talent, your passion, your dedication, and what you've given to the industry. अगर आप बचपन से बॉलीवुड के धुरंधरों की गोदी में नहीं खेले, तो आप बाहर वाले ही रहेंगे. लगे रहिए, बिना इज्जत की चिंता किए, और शायद कुछ पुश्तों में शामिल कर लें आपको अपने आप में. पूर्णतावादी, कोई गाली नहीं है बहन. संजीदा ने बहुत सुलझा हुआ जवाब दिया, एक सीधे से सवाल का. It was a filler question anyway. Not your cue to try to steal the spotlight and literally call veteran industry professionals outsiders. शेखर सुमन इस इंडस्ट्री में जाने माने नाम है. जब से आप जोड़, घटाओ, गुणा, भाग भी ढंग से नहीं जानती थी. Somebody get her media training. 1,000 apologies for looking down on her portrayal of Alamzeeb. आप चुप ही ठीक थी. On a side note, a part of me gets where Lady Sagal gets her goal from. She has a billionaire husband, a world star director uncle. She's treated like a Gen Z kiddo when she is a 28-year-old woman and a millennial. Nobody has ever held her accountable. She isn't used to avoiding stepping on anybody's toes because all her life, people have thanked her for the honor of being stomped under her dainty feet. But, girl, इंडिया के सबसे पसंदीदा चेहरों के साथ बैठकर ज्यादा यारी दिखाओगी, तमीज TDS काट के दोगी, तो खून तो उबलेगा ना देश का. Whether this was her being rude or a faux pas on her part, let me know what you think. See you guys around.
एक बार चुप हो जाइए, पागल हमें न बना दीजिए. शब्दों के लपड़ लिए हैं तैयार हम, अभिनय और तहजीब जाकर सीख लीजिए.